Effortlessly store all of your frozen goods in style and at the perfect temperature with the Conserv Classic Retro Upright Freezer. Offered in 3 colors, red, black, and cream, the FF830 model works with almost any interior decor. Measuring 71.93 inches by 23.5 inches by 27.83 inches, this design is compact enough for tiny homes, apartments, and other small areas, yet spacious enough to hold 8.8 cubic feet of frozen items. Keep your energy usage low thanks to the FF830's Energy Star rating and powerful compressor. Eliminate ice buildup and skip the manual defrosting thanks to its frost-free design. Enjoy the convenience and organization of 6 drawers and 1 lower flap. Purchase with Equator Retro Refrigerator RR1100 and set them side by side for a French door style refrigerator freezer pair. Other top tier features that are part of the FF830 include its rust-proof handle, adjustable feet, electronic temperature control, fast freeze function, and multi-airflow cooling. Have added confidence in your purchase with Conserv's 1-year parts and labor warranty. Bring home the Conserv Classic Retro Upright Freezer today.